What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. So today we're gonna go step by step on how to get these this coil on plug setup to fit my setup. So the first thing I did, I'm gonna put this down right here, and I'm gonna go through. So what I did was I don't know if you can kind of see that, I made little Sharpie marks on where I need to kind of cut right here. And then there's a little slit here. I don't know if you can kind of see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to cut away these pieces that, that I kind of need. And hopefully it can go straight down and flush to where I need it to go. So as I was telling you before, it is pretty much the same day. I just took everything apart just so I can actually get this going, because I do have a set of 6 piston Brembo calipers that I had taken apart, like a couple days ago or so over the weekend. And now I need to actually get these coated. So I'm gonna get these done. Well, actually, I'm probably gonna get this done first and then get this done afterwards, because it still needs to be prepped and stuff like that. There was some rear calipers and stuff like that. All of my stuff is right over here on the table. So yeah, but we're gonna focus on this for right now and kind of get this done. So I don't have the color for this yet, so I kind of need to wait regardless of what goes on. So this nice easy black, probably gloss black or flat black again, because more than likely it's probably going to be covered up. So let's get started. All right. These are just obviously rough cuts. I will go back and try to shave some of this down to make it look a little prettier. But let's go try it and see if it fits inside the, the cavity well, So hold on. All right, people. So after a couple back and forths here, I think we might have got it. So let's check. It's not the prettiest, but let's see. Put it in there. Yeah, I think it'll work. I think it will work. Yes. Now, all we need to do, strip this coating off and get to actually powder coating this. So, let's do it. All right, people, after a super busy weekend, I got a couple valve covers. I got a bunch of intercooler pipes and like a vanity plate kind of thing, powder coated. So I did some of it over here, like a nice Evo 8 valve cover, DSM valve cover, which came out nice. And then I got my, my plate that I did. So let's go outside. I want to show you guys before I actually install this bad boy. So excuse my stuff here. All right. Oh, package. But look how it's like a pearl black. It actually came out really nice. Pearl black. So this is the cover that's going to go back on the car, and I'm going to be installing this bad boy today because I want to drive my car and I want to actually put it away, because the last video, as you remember, we kind of got a bunch of snow. See, there's no snow now. So I'm gonna go outside, and it's actually like 43 degrees outside. So I'm gonna go install this plate and drive and go get it washed. So follow me on this journey. All right, guys, finally back in action here. I had a crazy busy week. I had a couple valve covers to do. I had a bunch of stuff to kind of get done before I can get done, back to working on the Evo. But I got my my plate done. It's a what do you want to call it? It's like a pearl black. It's like got flake. There you go. You can kind of see it in there now. But it's like pearl black. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. I've been kind of, neglecting the Evo because I really want to get it washed, and I really want to do a couple things so that I can actually put it away. I have my motor just sitting here. I haven't moved it. A bunch of stuff. I have my coils over there ready to go on. So I'm gonna get these together and I'm gonna get it into the car, and I'm actually gonna put it outside, start it, warm it up, because I want to drive it for a little bit, and yeah, try to get some shots of it or something like that. I have no idea. And probably start to put it away, get it prepped up for the winter time, fill up the gas, do all that jazz, because that's on my priority list to get it done. So yeah, let's get this plate installed and let's see how the car runs. All right, ladies and gentlefolk, what do you guys think? Bad boy looks really, really good in here. Now I have a quick question. I want a quick question. So leave in the comment section below. I bought this Evo 9 like spark plug cover. I was thinking about putting it on because, you know, I bought it and it's brand new. What do you guys think? Think I should put it on or leave it off? Let me know down in the section below. But yeah, like, I guess there really isn't too much to kind of do to deal with this particular install. But I want to start it up and I want to make sure everything is good. So yeah, give me 1 second. Alright people, here she is in all her glory. All her glory. Spider webs. Spider webs. Hey, yeah. It looks pretty good underneath the hood. I kind of like it. Like I said before, leave in the comment section below if I should actually put that spark plug cover on. I actually like it with it, but I actually like it without it too. That actually looks really, really good. Try to keep the engine bay as tidy as I possibly can. One thing I will have to do is change over this blow-off valve because it's actually a bypass valve, and I want to make sure that I get as much air out of here as I possibly can. Even though it won't really, it'll do the same thing, but I just want to change that out for sure. But yeah, I don't know. I think what I'm gonna do now is go take this car for a drive. I haven't driven it in a little bit, so take it to probably go get washed or something, and then actually start the process of putting this bad boy away. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, deuces.